Are you going to host a New Year party? That's great. Follow these delicious cheese-filled fried wonton clocks recipe and serve one of best food in your get-together to amaze all. Ingredients: round wonton wrappers 32. Black food coloring marker. Egg 1, make egg wash by mixing 1 tablespoon water. Vegetable cream cheese 1, 8-ounce tub. Directions: draw the clock face onto 16 of the round wonton wrappers with help of black food coloring marker. Brush with egg wash remaining wonton wrappers and place a rounded teaspoon of cream cheese in center of each wonton. Now place clock face wonton on top of the cheese and press to seal around the edges. Heat oil in a wok and fry wonton, clock side down. Fry until get a nice golden brown color. Darin on paper towel and serve hot.